your Soulful Progressive with FNN-Feminist News Network. That feminist news that's right for you. Welcome to Skye in the Avapui room, giving you that soulful news you need. Yes, indeed. And if you haven't told a friend to like or subscribe and get that soulful news, baby, that soulful way, you better let them know I'm serving it up today. Now, what is it I want to talk to you about? What is really going on? The Supreme Court has set the rule that electors who have individual states can be made to go with the popular vote. Now, we know that the POTUS won by being in second place with electorals, about 10 of them that didn't want to go the right way with the popular vote in those states. And we're talking about Wisconsin and Michigan and all them. Now, will it turn around? Will the DNC win? Well, the Green Party's having their convention on July 11th. You know, they got Howie and Angela Walker, Howie Hawks and Angela Walker, and the trouble they're having is trying to get on the ballot because they're not getting all the signatures that they need to get on all these states. They got like 32 states that they can't get on, and they're trying hard, almost on some. But, you know, that's just them not doing the proper planning, thinking, you know, leaving things to the last minute. See, if the Green Party, and this is the thing, the people in the DNC, that's all they do. That's their job. These people in the Green Party, they're already working another job. This ain't their full-time thing to be Green Party. So it's hard, because what they need is some that are dedicated to the Green Party that is retired to plan ahead to get this movement going. Now, in 1920 and 21, you know, socialist parties and worker parties were winning all over the place in America, and it's time for those type of parties to come back and win again. Now, even though the Supreme Court has put down this decision, it's still not going to help us get the right person in office, because the DNC is using Joe Biden, who is a corporatist that backs raiding Venezuela, and not to mention the fact that he's just a creepy guy that touches on women, and nobody can seem to get him on that. Like, it's okay for him to be the old creepy guy that he is, and we know that he has very much so cognitive loss of skills and dementia. You know, he hasn't gotten it all there. Now, when I saw Jenny Dora and some other people show this video and talk about it, I was like, oh my God! See, I don't keep up with Biden because I'm not going to vote for him. I'm going to vote third party. That's how I roll. Because I'm not going to vote for nobody that is going to let me down. And it's not for Medicaid for all, Medicare for all, healthcare for all, which would help save us during this pandemic. But instead, I ended up watching this by accident. I'm like, even with the Supreme Court allowing these states to go popular isn't what needs to go. We need paper ballots. We need every vote to count, and not have the superior establishment view do the ruling. It is a falsehood, and it is not the American dream to be faked out to think that our vote counts, when really you got these people in these states as electors making the decision for our vote. That's BS. Book. And if you agree with that, leave your comments below, honey, and let me know at feministnewsn@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to that YouTube channel and Facebook page. And remember, I'm that Soulful Progress one on Twitter, got that rant of the day on blogging, and I am that one woman team. So remember, in this era of hate, you gotta participate, because if you don't, we are going to lose our democracy, which we're doing now. Time to get it back. I know that's right. Now, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining.